Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna cook grilled salmon with potatoes, and here's all the ingredient I need. Less than half a kilo of salmon, 2 boiled potatoes, coriander, 2 cloves of garlic, and fish curry powder, and teaspoon of oil, and I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of oil, garlic, curry powder, and chopped coriander, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. You could add fresh lemon juice if you want to. I'm mixing now. I'm putting the salmon there and mixing all the spice into the salmon. It's like a massage. I'm just trying to cover all the spice into the salmon. So it's done. So I've got a tray and I put a foil so it doesn't stick, and I'm putting the salmon now and all the spice in the top. So same bowl, I'm adding a teaspoon of oil, pinch of salt as your taste, black pepper, about pinch of black pepper, pinch of kasturi methi, and pinch of herb as well, mixed herb. I'm just adding the potatoes now. I'm going to mix it all. So all the potatoes are mixed now. So I'm just going to put in the same tray. So you don't need another tray, so I'm going to do with the same tray, it's easier. So I'm just going to put all into the oven now for about guess mark 220 for 10 minutes, 5 minutes each side, then it's done. That's after 5 minutes. Then that's done now. After 10 minutes it's all done. It's quick and easy and tasty as well. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum.